Hi everyone, welcome to my Medicinal Notes YouTube channel. I'm here with the topic Neisseria meningitidis. Its morphology. It is a gram-negative, oval or spherical, gram-negative, oval or spherical in cocci, size 0.6 to 0.8 micron meter, arranged in pairs. They are arranged in pairs. Non-motile, aerobic, non-sporing, and meningococci are capsulated. They have a capsule just like this. Cultural characteristics. Meningococci do not grow on ordinary media. The growth occurs on the media where the blood is enriched, serum, and acidic fluid. They are aerobes. Their optimum temperature is 35 to 36 degrees Celsius. Optimum pH is 7.4 to 7.6. Solid media. What are the cultural characteristics? In the cultural characteristics, solid media. After incubation of 24 hours, the colonies are round, small, convex, smooth surface and entire edges and translucent. Blood agar, weak hemolysis occur. Liquid media, poor growth. Blood agar, chocolate agar, Thayer Martin medium and Muller-Hilton starch casein hydrolase agar used to culture meningococci. Biochemical reaction, they are catalyst positive, oxidase positive, indole negative, nitrate cannot be reduced into nitrites. Antigenic property, serogroup. Meningococci are capsulated. Based on the capsular polysaccharide antigen, they are classified into A, B, C, X, Y, W135. Group A is epidemic. Group B cause both epidemic and outbreaks. Group C is localized and outbreak. Group 29E, W135 and Y frequently cause meningitis. Serotype. Serogroup are further classified into serotype and subtype based on the outer membrane protein. About 20 serotypes are available. Resistance. Being highly susceptible to heat, alteration in pH, and disinfectant. They are uniformly sensitive to penicillin and antibiotics. Pathogenicity. Meningococcal disease present as cerebrospinal meningitis, meningococcal septicemia. Meningococci are strict human parasite in the nasopharynx. Infection is usually asymptomatic. Some local inflammation ensure with rhinitis and pharyngitis. Meningitis. Cocci spread from nasopharynx to meninges. The cocci spread from nasopharynx to by three ways. First way is traveling along the perineural sheet of the olfactory nerve. The second way through the cribriform plate to the subarachnoid space. Third one most probably through the bloodstream. On releasing CNS, it causes pus forming lesions in meninges. Fatality is variable but may be high 80% in untreated cases. Meningococcemia. Acute fever, chill, malaise, prostration, petechial rash occurs in early of the day. Petechial means round lesion, which is due to the internal bleeding. Meningococci may be isolated from petechial lesion. A few develop sudden meningococcemia, which is called Waterhouse-Friderichsen syndrome. Pathogenesis. The vascular endothelium is particularly sensitive to endotoxin. All major inflammatory cascade system as well the cytokine and nitric oxide are triggered. In sudden, the fulminant is a sudden case, the adrenal hemorrhage and profound shock are present. Epidemiology. The human nasopharynx is the only reservoir of meningococcus. Meningitis common in children between the age of 3 months to 5 years. Laboratory diagnosis. Specimen is collected like CSF blood, nasopharyngeal swab and skin scraping from the petechial lesion. Examination. CSF is divided into 3 portions. The specimen which we obtained from the CSF is divided into 3 portions. One portion is centrifuge and gram stain. The second portion is inoculated in blood agar and chocolate agar medium. And the third portion is incubated overnight. Blood culture. Meningococcemia and meningitis in early stage, blood culture always show and often be positive. Nasopharyngeal swab, useful for detection of carriers. Petechial lesion for microscopic culture in meningococci. Autopsy. Meningococci will die if the specimen are not collected before 12 hours of the death of the patient. If the specimen is not collected before the 12 hours of the death of the patient, the meningococci will be died. So it will show a negative report. Molecular diagnosis. Detection by DNA sequence in CSF or blood by PCR amplification. Treatment. Sulfonamides are the ones used now, not used, due to the widespread resistance. Penicillin G intravenously is the treatment of choice. Chloramphenicol is equally effective. 1/3 of the cephalosporin may be used for initial treatment of meningitis. Prophylaxis. Sulfonamide are not effective due to the resistance. Penicillin is unstable to eradicate the carrier stage. Rifampicin and ciprofloxacin is recommended for chemoprophylaxis. Monovalent and polyvalent vaccine contain capsular polysaccharide of group A, C, W135 and Y are available, and this induces good immunity to children. Thank you. I here end this video. Do subscribe and like. If you want any topic, please comment in the comment box. Thank you.